Hello shrimps. We're going to do some maths in the construction area today, because remember we're learning all about builder's job, and we've got the Three Little Pigs story this week. So let's have a look what you can see behind me. We have got a number line and we can see all the numbers in order. Let's see if you can say the numbers as I point to them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They go in that order because 1 is the smallest number. That's just one finger. But as we count along, it gets more and more and more. Can we show how it gets more and more on our fingers? So if we start with no fingers, that's none. That's 0 fingers, and then add one more each time. Roll them out until you get more fingers and more each time. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Now today what we're going to be learning is how we can describe and compare amounts. So when we look at things, look at sets of things, if we can look at them and just think which one has more in, and we can say that that's got more than that. And if it's not got more in, then we can say it's got fewer in. That means not as many. Can you say fewer than? Fewer means not as many. Okay, and those are some words we're going to be using today. Fewer than and more than. Okay, so just to show you here, we have got 2 pigs. We've got a bigger pig and a smaller pig. Okay, now these are just 2 pigs who've been building, and they've just been getting some bricks for themselves. The big pig has how many bricks? 1. And the little pig has how many? Let's move him over to there. How many has he got? 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4 bricks. Okay. Let's see if we can stand in next to it. There. So I've just moved it by there so you can see the numbers in order as well. Now, how do we know that this one has actually got more than that one? How do we know? Because I'll tell you, because when we counted 1, we just stopped at 1. Just 1. But when we counted this one here, we started at 1, but we said more and more numbers each time. So it has got more than 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's going to sleep. 4. It's more than 1, okay? So we can say that the big pig has fewer. He has fewer than the little pig, okay? So fewer means not as many. He has less than, okay? So those are new words we're using today. Right, so what I want you to go and do is, with your grown-ups, if you've got any bricks, you can make some towers. I'm going to make, maybe I'll use some of these. Let's just move these out of the way. So you can see in that example, but I'm going to move them out of the way, and I am going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Right, I wonder if you can go and find fewer bricks than me. That means less bricks. How many would it be? Anything fewer than 4 would be 3, 2 or 1. That's not as many. Okay. It's quite tricky, but maybe when you're having your tea tonight, maybe if you've got some pasta and your brother or sister sat near you, or your mum or dad, you could say, let's count how many pieces of pasta I've got and how many your brother or sister has got. And then you could say which has got more, which has got less, which you can say fewer than today. Okay, fewer than. All right, have a go. I'm going to go and build now with these bricks. and see if I can make it more than the 4 bricks that are here. Let me see if I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so I got to 4 and I carried on counting, which makes it more than 7, 8. So you can see that was 4 and it carried on past 4, which makes it more than. Let's see if I can make it fewer than. Oh, so there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fewer than means less. Just 1. That's less than. Okay, you go and have a go. See if you can use the words more than and fewer than today. Well done, shrimps.